Hi there everyone. In this video of FreeCAD series, we're going to talk about subtractive pipe but not with constant section. So here you can see we have created this constant section subtractive pipe in our last video. If you want to check that video out, then I'm gonna add that video in the description of this one such that you understand the basics of subtractive pipe. In this video, I'm gonna continue our journey of this subtractive pipe and of course within our FreeCAD series. And by the way, if you are new to this channel, I would consider you to subscribe to Engineering Pritam, as in this channel we discuss various engineering topics of mechanical, ranging from project management, engineering basics, CAD and many other. Alright, so first thing here I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this sectional cut, and now let's make adjustment to the sections. Alright, so here we can see there is only single section. Let's create one more section toward this side. So for that, you need to select the face or datum. So here I'm selecting this face, and let's click here on sketch. And now here what I'm gonna do first is I am going to take a reference. So let's click here on create external geometry, and now I'm gonna select this. Alright, so here we took reference of this trajectory. Now let's create the section, and this time I'm gonna create this hexagonal type section, or we can do whatever we want. Now let's click on close. Now we have created this another section, and let's select this subtractive pipe and go to edit pipe, or probably what I can do is I can actually delete this existing one. Alright, so let's delete this existing subtractive pipe. Now here we have got this feature. Let's again click on subtractive pipe. Now it says all these three sketches are valid and recognize all three sketches. So I'm going to start with our sketch number 2, which is this first section. So let's click OK. Now I'm going to click here on add edge so that we can, select the profile. Again, click on add edge, select the next section of profile, and again add edge. And this time by mistake I have selected plane. So please make sure you are also checking here, because sometimes we think that why it is not coming. Now again click on add edge and select the last section. Alright, so as I was also mentioning about the orientation part, which is now visible in this case. So here we have got these different orientation that lets you fine tune your geometry. Now let me select my next section. For that you need to go here in section transformation and select multi-section. Alright, so one section we already have selected. For another section, click on add section and then select the another section. And there you go. Here we can see the sketch started from a circular section and ended at this kind of hexagonal section. And the path is also swept style, or the path here is also very controlled. We know from where we are subtracting the material. And let's click here on OK, and that's how guys we have created this subtractive pipe. And there you go. Now let me again hide all these datum planes, and again let's check the sectional view here. Again let me hide the datum plane, and there you go. So in this way we can create a subtractive pipe with multi-section. Hope that this video gave you insight how we can perform this operation. So that's also wrap up this video. I hope guys this video gave you insight of how we can create this kind of profile. And if you also want to follow us along in this entire FreeCAD journey and other mechanical engineering related topics, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam, and I will see you in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.